Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in West Tennessee. This is one sharp truck here, 2018 Ford F150 Lariat. But this is not your average Lariat. It's got the special edition package. It's probably the sharpest F150 I've ever run across. Beautiful color. It's called Leadfoot, which is a gray. Real popular now. I like it. It's got the backup camera, park assist, front and rear. This thing will even parallel park itself. It's got sensors on the side and it will do all the steering for you and get in the hole. It's crazy. FX4 off-road package. LED daytime running light, automatic HID headlights, fog lights, got your tow hooks. Got some nice graphics. It's real sporty looking. It also has the front camera, side camera. It's got the 360 view camera. This one has a technology package, so it's got the adaptive cruise control, which you can set your distance between you and the person in front of you and it'll adapt. Very cool feature, not very common on trucks. Got remote engine start. You just push this button twice. Well, there we go. Gotta lock the door first. That's really nice. You can get the climate control going from inside the house. It is a 1-owner, clean Carfax non-smoker. Truck is like new inside out. No scratch, no dents. Just beautiful truck. Got your keypad here. Typical from Ford. Also you can lock by pushing this button or unlock by touching the handle, as long as the key fob is nearby. Also you got your power steps. Very nice feature. They get out of the way when you don't need them. Full length on both sides. Got power mirrors, power windows, locks, power folding mirrors. Well, I guess you gotta get the push the start button. There we go. So it's got blind spot monitor system. You see that little orange light? Lets you know when someone's in your blind spot. Power folding mirror for a tight garage or car wash. Beautiful interior. Again, very unique from this special edition package. Two-tone leather, high quality leather with the sport logo here. These are heated and cooled. Power seats and lumbar support on both sides. There's all your light control, electric parking brake, adjustable power pedals. I had the lights on so you could see, but they're automatic. Power tilt, telescoping steering wheel, heated leather wrapped steering wheel. You name it, this thing's got it. Over 20,000 worth of options. Alright, it's only got 22,500 miles. Let me see here, we've got your turbo gauge, because this one has the EcoBoost 3.5 liter. Got all your, it's got the trailer brake controller. It's even got the trailer backup assist, which is pretty interesting. I'll show you this in a minute. All your settings. It's all computerized. You can really customize it just the way you want it. It's got lane departure warning system at the bottom. It'll let you know when you get off the white and the yellow line. Neat feature. There's your cruise control. This is where you would adjust the distance between you and the people in front of you. It's got all your audio control. It's got Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. There's your push start button. This is a really neat. You can go on YouTube and look at some videos, but you got to set it up. You got to program, get some measurements from your trailer, put some stickers on your trailer, but the camera looks behind at your trailer, see what it's doing, and you can actually guide, just steer with this button here. So you can tell it where you want the trailer to go. It's kind of hard to describe right now without the trailer, but it's a really neat feature. There's your trailer brake controller. It's got the large display, touch screen. It's got navigation system, dual climate control. There's your heated steering wheel. Audio, you've got AM, FM, Sirius satellite, CD, Bluetooth, so just about every media. Phone, obviously. You got Sirius Travel Link. Basically, the internet is still on the free subscription, but you can get like the weather and things like that. Current. How about a 5-day? Oh, looks like we got snow coming. Very cool. Alright, so you've got your camera, got the 360 view. This one has the B&O fancy sound system. Great, sounds good. There's all your buttons, which I like this. It's still got some real physical buttons. A lot of vehicles do away with those, but USB charging. This is your driving mode button. When you push this, you got different modes: highway, tow mode, wet, eco, and sport. How about a 10-speed automatic transmission? Crazy, but that's what they do now. There's your lane departure. There's your park assist. Lots of storage. Got a 12-volt and a 110, 400 watts. That's not bad. Got your auto dimming rearview mirror. How about the twin panel sunroof? This is like a big skylight, and it opens, half of it opens. Huge sunroof. And then also, like on a hot summer day and you don't want all that sun to come in, oh, you gotta finish that. You got your power shade here, keep you from burning up. And then you can go halfway. There's all the controls. Got power sliding rear glass with defrost. This thing's got more buttons than an airplane. Get your glove box. I've got an owner's manual coming. I do have the extra key. There's the original window sticker. Almost $67,000. About 20 grand worth of options. Got a picture of this in the description so you can see everything that's on it. I don't think there's anything else you could put on one. Full-size crew cab, so you got all this leg room. Same seating back here, very nice. Heated seat in the back too, of course. Got some USB and a 110 volt and a 12 volt. Got it all, and some vents, keep everybody comfortable. Got some nice LED lights under the seat. These seat raise up for extra cargo space. Got your armrest, cup holders. I probably forgot some stuff, but how about these? These are really cool. You put your foot here, makes it easy to get in and out of bed. It's pretty. Whoop. I'm holding this camera, and that's. Alright, help. Well, of course it's not. There we go. You can't touch the button while you do that. No fuel cap, gas. It's got some new tires, nice hand-cooked tires. I guess the previous customer didn't like the original factory tires. Sometimes they put crappy tires on them, but it's got a nice clean frame, no rust, no mud. It's got the easy open lift gate. It just kind of opens by itself, nice and smooth. Got your cargo cover. I've got it unlocked now, but you can do this. I took a picture of this too, but it's got the bed extender, which is really nice if you got something big, but you don't want it to fall out of the bed. Again, all this is a lot easier with two hands, but doing the best I can. Basically, you snatch these together, and then there you go. You can probably put a four-wheeler or a motorcycle. It's got LED lights in the bed, and then also this thing's like a robot. All kind of gizmos. Makes it really nice to get in and out of bed. Got the same step on this side. Fire step 2. What a truck. Got it all. Fire seat on this side too. It's just like new inside out. It still smells new. The body's in excellent condition. No curb rash. No dents. Just nice. And this is where all the magic happens. These EcoBoosts are something else, almost 400 horse. Actually, I believe it's like 375 horse. So they get all this horsepower out of a V6, and that's how they get the fuel mileage and the performance, all in one package. Everything's nice and clean, just been serviced. This F150 will come with the remainder of the factory warranty. You can see the description for details, but it's 3 year 36, you get the remainder of that, bumper to bumper, or 5 year 60 on the powertrain. If you're looking for a sharp truck in like new condition at an affordable price, that's kind of unique. I haven't seen another one. This should do it here. To see if this F150 is still available, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website. You can fill it out and we'll get to work on it. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.